My name is Juan Delgado. I'm Live Reads Director, and today I'll be showing you around our research station here in Costa Rica. We feel honored to help the agricultural industry to solve their many problems and challenges, and we have a great team to help achieve that. Hi guys, good morning. We have a great infrastructure where we have different crops, different challenges, and different projects. We'll be explaining you during the day what we're doing here and how we feel committed to solve the problems of agriculture. So please turn around and welcome to Costa Rica, welcome to San Carlos, and welcome to Live. In Live, we understand crops as a continuous of the soil, the plant, and the atmosphere. That's why we feel it's very relevant and important to show our guests the specific conditions we have here at the station. If you turn around, you'll be able to see our soil profile and all its different characteristics. But also, we understand that weather is key to agriculture production. That's why we have a weather station that records 24/7, 365 all the different climatic variables that are relevant for crop production. This is our soil environment unit. Now we are at our control environment unit, where we have different crops under complete control conditions. We have a whole hydroponic system that allows us to understand the missing element methodology and improve crop nutrition. We have citrus, we have banana, we have tomato plants, and we have many different crops depending on the needs of the different sectors of agriculture. Here we are in part of our crop protection lab. We're using these tomato plants to measure the effect of different biorational nematicides on the control of Meloidogyne, the root node nematode of tomato. Also, to your left, we have our rearing facility for Diaphorina citri, the vector of Citrus Juan Lombing, and an infrastructure we use and that has been validated by many transnational companies to measure the effects of products on Sigatoka, disease of bananas. On the outside, you can see plants that we're using as our run-of-leaching simulator to measure the effect of products when they're applied to the soil. This is our weed control unit, where we can measure the effect of different pre- and post-emergent herbicides on the control of weeds. Right now, we're doing a trial where we're measuring the effect of different pre-emergent herbicides on the control of the most relevant weeds of Costa Rican crops. Here we are at the pineapple unit. We had different plots of 200 plants each where we performed different trials, measuring the effects of treatments and products on pineapple in crop protection, plant nutrition, pest stimulation, and even plantation knockdown of this relevant tropical crop. We're here in the top of the research station where you're able to see the overall view of what we have here. We're in the center, where the pineapple unit is, but if you look to your left, you'll be able to see our citrus. If you look to your right, you'll be able to see our banana crops. And if you turn around, you'll see the entrance of the station and our pod trial unit. Even in front of you, you'll see in the end our forest, because we have a tropical forest, because we take care of the environment. In the banana unit, we have 27 plots of more than 9 plants each. We use these plots to perform different trials with treatments and products. Trials focus on crop protection, on plant nutrition, on biostimulation, and a very important thing, on plant physiology. Right now, we're using one of our favorite tools, the Licor 6800, which allows us to measure the photosynthetic performance of the crop under different treatments and under the use of different products. We use this to determine the best way to improve banana crop production. Welcome to the Tropical Forest Unit. Here in Live Research Station, we have more than an acre of preserved forest. You can see to your left the river. You can see to your right the typical tropical rainforest vegetation, and we have a high biodiversity that we feel proud to keep and to treasure. This is where life comes from, nature, and we're proud to keep it as that. We are now at the Pasture Management Unit. Here at Live Research Station, we have an in vivo showroom of different varieties and species of pastures that grow in the tropics. We study them, study their performance, and study the way to improve the management strategies of these crops, because we understand how important they are to provide or complement animal nutrition. We are now at the Peripheral Crop Unit. In this unit, we decided to diversify crops in the station, and we included rice and sugarcane as other target crops of our research and our studies. We're studying here biorational and nutritional solutions to help improve the management programs of these two very important crops in the tropics. We are now in the citrus unit here in the station, where we have more than 318-month-old trees grafted on 2 different rootstocks, Stringyl citrumelo and Flying Dragon. These are all top Valencia, and we are studying them, crop protection, nutrition, biostimulation, physiology, and we have a completely irrigated system where we can study the effect of irrigation and fertigation in the citrus crop in the tropics. Well, everybody, thank you very much for joining us in this 360 virtual reality tour here at the Live Research Station in Costa Rica. Hope to see you next time over here with feet on the ground and hands on the crop, because we're educated by science, but taught by life. See you later. Let's go, baby. Mwah.